Every recurring gift your donors set up is managed here under Recurring Donations. Let's take a look at your control center. The filters across the top group your subscriptions by status, and the count beside each shows how many you have. Active subscriptions are your healthy monthly donors with the card charging right on schedule. Failed or on-hold subscriptions need attention, usually a card that was declined. Let's look at the failed ones. Canceled subscriptions were stopped by you or the donor, and expired ones simply reached the end of their term. Now let's open an active subscription to see the full picture. Here's the donor, the amount and interval, $25 a month, the campaign, and the payment gateway. The sidebar collects everything recorded about this gift, including the gateway details and the payment method. And the donation log is the subscription's full history, every successful renewal month after month. You can also resend any email right from the log, which is handy if a donor needs their receipt again. To stop a subscription, open Donation Actions, choose Canceled, and apply the change. It's now canceled, so there are no further charges, and the update is written to the log. Every past donation is always kept. Find more charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.